Stop scrolling. You think you know FPV? You think you know what's possible with a Cinewhoop? Think again. Because what you are about to hear isn't just about a new drone. It's about a fundamental power shift in aerial filmmaking. The DJI Avata was a revolution. It made cinematic FPV accessible to everyone. But it was also a first-generation product, plagued by compromises, a mediocre camera, average battery life, and a slightly bulky form factor. Now, the whispers have turned into a roar. The leaks are undeniable. The DJI Avata 2, or whatever they choose to call this next-gen machine, is coming. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And if the specs are true, every single FPV pilot, from the seasoned veteran to the brand new hobbyist, is going to have to make a choice. This isn't an incremental update. This is DJI putting the entire FPV community on notice. They are closing the gap between consumer accessibility and professional-grade performance. And in the next 30 minutes, we are going to expose every single detail. We'll reveal the shocking new camera module, the battery secret that unlocks an impossible flight time, and the one feature, the holy grail of FPV, that DJI has secretly integrated. You need to stick with us, because the critical detail that determines its price and release date is hidden deep within the analysis of a recently filed patent. Let's start with the feature everyone demanded, the camera system. The original Avata's 1/1.7-inch sensor was adequate, but in challenging light, it fell apart. The consistent, most credible leaks point to a massive sensor jump, a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, potentially derived from the Mini 4 Pro's technology but optimized for wide-angle FPV. Why does this matter? It means true professional-grade, low-light performance. It means cinematic dynamic range that holds detail in both harsh sunlight and deep shadow. We're talking about footage that goes straight into a high-end commercial without needing heavy post-processing. This instantly changes the commercial viability of using this drone. And here is the kicker. We are predicting 5.4K resolution at 60 frames per second. This isn't just better image quality. It's a future-proof investment for any serious creator. But a great camera needs a great connection. Let's talk about the transmission. The original Avata utilized O3. Good, but subject to breakup. The Avata 2 is heavily rumored to be the launch platform for O4, DJI's next-generation transmission protocol. Forget minor range bumps. O4 is about rock-solid, low-latency, high-definition video feed in environments where O3 would fail. Imagine flying deep into a crowded forest or through a dense urban environment with a feed so clean and fast it feels like you're physically there. This dramatically increases pilot confidence and opens up previously restricted flight paths. This new system, based on leaked frequency analysis, also suggests a substantial increase in anti-interference capabilities. Now, let's address the biggest hurdle for every FPV pilot: flight time. 15 minutes of flight time on the Avata felt restrictive. We've been analyzing internal battery component designs, and the consensus is a major redesign, moving away from simple lithium-ion. We are seeing evidence of a new high-density lithium polymer battery cell, potentially paired with a highly optimized propulsion system. The result?